how to link an old Navy credit card with Navyist Rewards. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To link your old Navy credit card with your Navyist Rewards account, you'll need to ensure you are using the same email address and phone number for both your credit card account and your rewards program membership. So first thing, just head over to the website that is of old Navy credit card and simply scroll down and click on this Navy Rewards section from over here and simply select My Points and Rewards. And as I mentioned earlier, you can just ensure that you are using the same email address and phone number for both your credit card account and your reward program membership over here. So when shopping online, log in with your email address associated with the both accounts, and when shopping in store, provide the phone number linked to both. If you have multiple Gap Inc. credit cards, points earned will combine into one rewards account as long as the email and the phone number are the same across all accounts. And after you do all of that, you can view your accumulated points and rewards information by logging into your Gap Inc. account online. So if you encounter any issues or discrepancies with your points, you can always contact the customer support at the mentioned Old Navy phone numbers. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.